When it's coming to make money online, most people think that is a scam or it's so hard, and that's why in this video I am share with you 12 legit ways to make money online. Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you top and legit 12 ways where you can earn a lot of money guys. No scam and 100% working. Some need money and some are free guys. You just need to do the work, and then guys you need to stay consistent to the work guys. And as you can see here guys, already today I am making right now $500 already. But before that, if you new to on this channel, hey, my name is Mark. In this channel I teach people how to make money online and start your own online business so you can get more freedom to spend time with your kids or travel the world with just your laptop and internet connection. So if you interested on this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay, so if you need any help or your problems about making money online, just search on FB I am Mark. Go to page section, like my official Facebook page, and just send me a message about your problems. I promise myself I will never be like the other gurus. They never respond to my message when I was getting started. So with that said, let's start this video. So number 12 is guys freelancing. So what is freelancing guys? A freelancer is a self-employed person who offers a service, often working on several jobs for multiple clients at one time. Freelancers usually earn money on per job basis, charging hourly or daily rates for their working. Freelance work is usually short term. While a freelancer is not officially employed by another company, they can be subcontracted by the other businesses. It's common for freelancers to work on several different jobs or projects at once, but some freelance contract may restrict who else the freelancer can work for until they complete the project. Some of the most common freelance jobs are within creative industries such as graphic design, copywriting, website development, or photography. However, freelancer can work in almost any service-based industry such as translation, consulting. In this video, I also share with you guys top 2 freelance platforms. And number 1 is guys Upwork.com and number 2 is Freelancer.com. So as we can see here guys, Upwork.com and also the another marketplace called Freelancer.com, and you can also do this on FlexJob. Guys, FlexJob is a new website, so you have a lot more better opportunity like other marketplace. Why? Because lots of people like you try on Upwork guys. So I recommend you guys, you join a FlexJob and offer this job post on this marketplace. So our number 11 is guys Amazon. Amazon is one of the most trustable e-commerce website in the country guys. On Amazon there are 3 ways you can make money from Amazon guys. So our number 11 is guys sell a product using Amazon FBA. What is FBA? FBA means fulfilled by Amazon, and as a seller all you would need to do is ship your inventory of products to Amazon warehouse and they take care of your shipping it for you. So number 10 is guys become an Amazon affiliate. If you are not interested in selling items on Amazon, you can promote them instead by becoming an Amazon affiliate. If you own a website, blog, or even moderate an online group or forums, that's mean you have an audience and you can use that to your advantage. On this Amazon affiliate topic, I have a related video on my YouTube channel. You can check my channel Also link in the description below, guys. So our number 9 is, guys, Amazon customer care jobs. You can actually work for Amazon as a customer service. There are always positions available around the holidays, so it would not hurt to apply. I actually have a family member who recently got hired by Amazon. There are a seasonal, full-time and part-time customer service job available along with other remote work opportunities. So our number 8 is, guys, dropshipping. So what is dropshipping, guys? So with dropshipping, you work with a wholesaler or distributor that offer this service. Not all manufacturers and wholesaler offer dropshipping, but lots of people do this. And guys, you can make a lot of money with dropshipping. And our number 7 is, guys, affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing, guys? Affiliate marketing is a way for you to earn money by selling a brand's products. As a strictly a marketer, you have no inventory and work for a commission. Generally, affiliate marketers receive payment when a consumer they referred buys product or service or complete a specific task. And also, guys, in this video I'm share with you. So in this video I'm also share with you, guys, top 2 affiliate programs, just like, guys, ClickBank and also, guys, JVZoo. And you can see here, guys, I also promote affiliate product, and guys, I am making right now $10,000 per month. So our number 6 is, guys, Google Adsense. Google Adsense is a free program that is designed to use your website to increase revenue by displaying advertisers' ad known as AdWords on these sites. When visitor to your site click on these AdSense ads, you get paid, as does Google, from the advertiser and hopefully the advertiser who sells a product to a happy customer. So our number 5 is, guys, buy and sell domains. Buy and selling domains names can be a lucrative business. Just take a look at this list of the most expensive domains. It's always changing, guys. You can see here, guys, domain voice.com is, guys, $13 million. 360.com is, guys, $17 million. Fund.com is, guys, $12 million. So as we can see here, guys, these domains rates so expensive. So I think you need to start a domain hosting business. So our number 4 is, guys, become an online influencer. If you got a strong presence on any social media platform or have a certain platform you want to grow on, such as Instagram, YouTube or Facebook, you can become an online influencer and earn money with brands, partnership, speaking gigs and lot of others, guys. So number 3 is, guys, create a niche based podcast. Podcasts are popular because they are a way to consume content where we are on the go. We can listen to them in the car while driving, work, on the subway. Thought it can take a while to establish an audience and earn money. There are tons of ways to launch podcast on any number of topics and styles. So number 2 is, guys, sell a web hosting as a reseller. And as we can see here, guys, global web hosting market share December 2019. You can see here, guys, below are the hosting companies with the most client worldwide is, guys, GoDaddy. By purchasing an unlimited hosting plan from one of the most popular web hosting companies like Bluehost or HostGator, you can resell it at a markup to your clients. This is a great option for people who also make money building websites because you can sell all in one package, guys. So guys, we are right now on our number 1. So before I announce the number 1, the $1 billion business model idea, so if you want to watch this $1 billion business model idea, you need to do is, guys, tap the like button and subscribe now. So guys, our number one is start an online travel agency. If you love to travel, you can start a business as a private travel agent. Create a social media group for people who want the best deals. After you have built your reputation, you can become a consultant to teach people how to take the trip of their dreams. And as we can see here, digital travel sales worldwide from 2014 to 2020 is $817 billion guys. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any question about these ways to make money online, just comment now and tell me your problems guys. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Peace.